How to fix Amazon Prime Video not working after subscription. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, if your videos are not working even after your payment, then try logging out of your account. And if it's still not working, then make sure that your card has enough balance in it and the balance is actually deducted for subscriptions. And now see if it fixes your problem. Now if the issue persists, and if it's still not working, then here is the last thing you can try. Launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in Amazon Prime Video Contact Support. You will see Prime Video Help. Open that link. And you can go ahead and search for videos not working after subscription. See if you find any related articles. If you are not finding any articles, you can go ahead and click on Contact Us. And likewise for that also you need to get logged into your Amazon account, and from there you can get help via customer support. You can also get live support if you're lucky. And just like so, this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching.